Hi, I'm Lisa from Approveit, and today I want to show you how you can use Approveit to write in Microsoft Teams. In particular, you can create approval requests and approve or reject these requests right in Microsoft Teams. Let's imagine that I want to request a time off. So what I have to do, I have to go to my Microsoft Teams app or web version, and I have to click New Approval Request right here. Then I need to select the needed workflow, time of approval, and click Next. Then the form appears right here, so all I need to do is to fill the form. Okay, I have filled the form and now I just click Send Request. Okay, I have sent that request. Now what I can do, I can view all the requests that I have created and I can filter these requests by the workflow and by status. For example, if I want to see only the requests related to my time offs, I need to select the workflow right here, time off. Done. If you are set as an approver in a particular workflow, then each time a request based on this workflow is created, you will be notified in your MS Teams, and then you will be able to approve or reject the request. So you will be able to go inside the request, view all the request details right here, and then you will have the possibility to approve or reject. You will also have the possibility to leave a comment or request an update if that's needed. You also have all the history of your notifications. So when you create a request or when you have to approve a request, you are notified and you can see all of your notifications right here in your Activity tab. That's how it works. If you still have questions or need help me setting everything up, please let us know.